today. I'm super excited. I've gotten quite a few boxes in the mail. And I thought what I would do is I would do a Walmart beauty box versus the Target beauty box. The Walmart beauty box is a seasonal subscription. It comes out once every 3 months. It's $5. Target beauty box it's not a subscription. It comes out monthly, but what you have to do is you have to go on their website and look for it because it's basically first come, first serve. So you gotta look for it. I guess from what I understand, it sells out pretty fast. So I was fortunate to get this one. I think it's the January box. So I was really fortunate to get that. So I thought I'd just compare them, do Walmart versus Target, and see which one that I think is the better one. They're relatively same in price. Like I said, Walmart is $5 every 3 months, and Target is about $5 to $7 each month. But before we start, if you are a fan of unboxings and want to see what we have coming in the near future, we have some really awesome boxes coming, and I'm like so excited. Just hit the like and subscribe button, and why don't we just jump in right now? So what I'll do the Walmart box first. Normally it comes sealed, but I had to restart the video. I had some technical difficulties. So it comes sealed up and protected in plastic. So that's pretty nice. I love the color, light blue. Pink's my favorite color, but blue's pretty too. So, all right. So when you open it up, it looks like this. And I am getting really excited. I am seeing some stuff that I'm liking, and I can't wait to try out. So let's see here. We have some flyers. We have for Garnier skincare right here. It's like a 3-in-1 moisturizer that they have advertised. We have Cetaphil lotion, and it's advertising the hydrating eye gel cream and the gentle cleansing bar. It says refresh and replenish your skin with the latest from Cetaphil. And then we have a flyer on Garnier 1-minute hair mask, which I love hair masks. They make your hair feel so great. And these ones, they sound like they are gonna smell great and be wonderful. Super fruit, super hair, that's what it says. And I see coconut, which can't go wrong with that. Avocado, papaya, oh, wonderful things, wonderful things. And then just a little bit, have a survey going on that you can win. You could get entered into a $100 gift card. So that'll be something I'll look at. Okay, so let's dive in and see what we have here. The first thing I have is Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream with hyaluronic acid. It says deeply hydrates for 24 hours. So we got that. We got a little foil packet of that. And then the next thing, here, Garnier Skin Active New Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer. It's a day-night mask made with rose water. I bet that'll smell really good. It says for daytime, soothes and hydrates, nighttime nourishes and nurtures skin, night after night. And you can also use it as a mask you leave on for 10 minutes. Intensely nourishes and reduces skin tightness. So we got that right there. Okay. And then next, all right. We got the 1-minute hair mask, damage repairing treat 1-minute hair mask with papaya extract. Oh, it's a vegan formula, no animal derived ingredients, 94% biodegradable formula, no silicones, parabens, or artificial colors. So we got that. And it's really nice because it gives you on the back, it gives you the ingredients, and it's pretty much stuff that you can read, which is always good when you're using it for your body hair. And then it tells you what it's derived from. So that's pretty cool. All right, and we got okay. Olay Daily Facials, Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract. It's a 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. So it's a cloth. You add water to it. You add water, and so it suds up, and then you can wash your face. So I like these. I've tried ones, I think from it's either Dove or Olay, and they work really, really good. So I like them because it also kind of exfoliates. So we got that. Okay, we got Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. Apply daily and experience soft, healthy skin you can only imagine. So it's water activated moisturizer. That's really cool. So we got that, which this is a nice size sample. I love the color of the package, so I can't wait to try that next time I take a shower. Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask, Detox and Brightening. So, Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. It's got black charcoal and niacinamide. Love sheet masks. Can't go wrong with those. You want to pamper yourself, do that. And then, we got something to put the stuff in. So it's this little makeup bag. It's got the little tassel. On the front, it has the Wal Mart emblem. And then on the back, it's got the little raindrops. So that is pretty cool. I like stuff where you can keep everything together. So I give that thumbs up. So, okay, that was everything we got in the Walmart bag. So we got the makeup bag. We got the sheet mask, the Olay cleansing facial cloth, the hair mask from Garnier, the Skin Active Moisturizer from Garnier, and we got a foil packet of the Hydrating Eye Gel, and then, really excited, we got the Curel Hydrotherapy Lotion Moisturizer. So that's really cool. Can't wait to try all this stuff. So I think that was really good. For $5, you can't beat that because you get to try some new stuff. So I really like that. So that was the Walmart box. Now we'll go to the Target Beauty box. It looks like this, really cute. And these boxes are really nice. If you want, you could store stuff in them. It's a pretty heavy box too. So I like that. So it looks like this. It's got like makeup and all kinds of little icons on it. So let's open it up and see what's in here. And this one also comes sealed in plastic. So that's nice. You don't have to worry about the box getting wet or anything like that. So, all right, let's see here. And this one I think is the January box. All right. So it looks like this when you open it up. Okay, let's see here. Okay. And this is what it looks like. You get a card that tells you what everything is in the box, and they also give you a $3 off coupon off of $15 or more. So that's a nice bonus right there. Okay. I like the tissue paper. It's a beautiful color. I think the yellow and the blue go really good together. All right, so let's see here. Okay. Wow. Oh, wow. All right. So, the first thing that I see here is you get a 2-count little pack of the premium cotton wipes. These little cotton rounds. These are good for eye makeup removers, for toners. They're good for a lot of things. Nice to have on hand. So that's good. I like that. So we've got that. Wow. So much cool stuff in here. Okay. Okay, we got the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Skin Therapy Oil. And this is a nice travel size. It'll be good to fit in your suitcase or whatever. And it says, cocoa butter, vitamin E, and natural oils work to improve the appearance of scars and help even skin tone so you can say hello to a radiant complexion. So we got that. Let's see. The next thing we got, okay, activated charcoal. It's Schmidt's Wonderment with activated charcoal. It's a tooth and mouth paste, helps whiten teeth and freshen breath. So we got that, which I tried. I think it was in the Wal Mart box that I got last season, this last time. They had a Hello charcoal toothpaste in there. It works really good and it makes your mouth feel wonderful. It's kind of a little freaky though when you look and your mouth is all black before you rinse it out. It's kind of funny actually. Gotta laugh. Okay, and then the next thing we got is the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Eyeliner. So we got that. Looks like that. Ultra thin brush tip allows for perfect application so you can create a smooth, even cat eye every time. And I'm not going to swatch this because I got one of these, I think, in the last Walmart beauty box I got. So I might just save this and put it in for a giveaway in the near future here. So we got that. We got Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, all-in-one waterproof. Removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. So it looks like that. And it's nice, the Target tapes it up so there's no chance of it leaking and getting all over your stuff and ruining everything. So that's a nice sample size too. And it has a flip top and you just shake it like that to mix everything together. And then you could use like your little cotton rounds and you could put it on and then use it to clean your makeup off. So that's a nice thing. Okay, and then the two biggest samples I saved for last, we have the Method Body Peony Rosewater Pink Sea Salt Pure Peace Body Wash. Naturally derived, no bad vibes. I can't wait to try that. This is a nice sample. And here with rose water, really good. Ooh, it smells so good too. I love this pink. It's a really nice sample size. It says, let's see. Method Body Wash. Infused with peony, rose water, and pink sea salt, this purifying body wash leaves skin thoroughly moisturized and smelling fresh. And I can say it does smell good. So I got that. And then I'm like so surprised. We get like a full size of this Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Relaxing Deodorant with plant-based deodorizers. Full size. Wow. Love that. Love that. So it says about this. Moroccan argan oil leaves underarms moisturized, while French lavender keeps you smelling fragrant all day long. It's vegan and free of aluminum, alcohol, and parabens, so that's good. It's not an antiperspirant. Not sure about that. I'll give it a try, see what it's like, and I'll kind of keep you updated on that. So let's see what it smells like here. I love the smell of lavender. Oh, it's got a really clean, fresh scent. And it's just white like this. I love the packaging here again. I love, has the flowers, the lavender on it. So that's pretty nice. So in this box, we got the full-size deodorant. We got the deluxe sample size of the Method Body Wash Pure Peace. We got the 2-pack of the Cotton Rounds, and they are the Target brand. We got a nice sample size of the Palmer's Coconut Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. We got the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water All-in-One Waterproof Makeup Remover and Cleansing Water. We got the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Eyeliner. And I think that is in dim black. So we got that. And then we got the Schmidt's Wondermint Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. Nice travel size too. And then we got the coupon for the $3 off, and it tells you about all the products that are in here. So I love this box. Last month's was amazing. Loved the Bliss lotion. Thumbs up. Loved it. So if you compare both of them, I would say Target. Love it. I would say that this was the winner. I love the variety of this stuff. I love that the samples were bigger. They weren't foil packets. You could seal them up and close them. But good things about the Walmart, had the sheet mask. Love that. But I think all in all on this one, Target Beauty, I like that. So this was my video. I hope that you like it. I loved filming it. I love beauty boxes. I love unboxings. So I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the like button. We'll see you later.